What's good, y'all? We in a big SRT. I ain't get y'all SRT video in like, what, 2-3 months of this. Let me just, you feel me, start. What the fuck? My fault, I'm used to the G. We got that full boiler attack exhaust. This is a warm start, for real. Warm start. I'm not just go for a little ride. It's a little schmibber. It's a little schmibber. You hear what I'm telling you? And whatnot. I'm ready to go to the vacuum and shit. Vacuum out and shit real quick. This bitch really a boat. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this shit feel like a boat. Like, jeez. What was that noise? Yeah, this bitch feel really like a fucking. Like a motherfucking yacht. The way this bitch real. And I'm not gonna lie, they got the 212 Harman or the 210 Harman Cardinals. These bitches be knocking. And it's only like, oh my God, this bitch be knocking. It sounds so beautiful too. Like, jeez. Turn down this fan. Let me go ahead and start shit in gears. They got some slight burbles in there too. Y'all just can't hear it for real. Some slight burble cheese. Yeah, you already know what's going on. Hey, y'all, we just wiping this down real quick. Still got a GoPro right here and shit. Just wiping it. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Getting that little bit of extra particles and shit out there and shit like that. I see that big SRT right there. Track mode, 8th gear, chilling. Let me hop in sport. Oh shit, drive mode. What am I doing? Hop in that sport mode real quick. This car funny as shit to drive, not gonna lie. Like, it's a boat, but this bitch start whining and shit like that. Like what the fuck is you crying for? Even though it ain't no cat, I swear this shit be fucking whining like crazy. I don't know why. Shit be whining down like crazy, man. Maybe start cutting on the road and shit. Like, it just be so effortless. And the RPMs come back at you quick as shit too. Swear that bullet attack sound good as shit. That bullet attack sound too good. This bitch be, I don't know if y'all can hear that whine, but this shit be whining, bro. None of you regular Scat Pack niggas should be whining. Oh, it's a G on the road. That shit stop. That shit stop. Right. And it's so, love the 8-speed transmission. That shit way faster than my G. My G slow as shit when it comes to that shit. Hitting them corners, okay. Okay, big boat taking them corners at 90. Shit floating though. Y'all hear that whine? I know y'all hear a slight whine. That's no edits neither. Yeah, let me know if y'all want me to really like do some shit with her, because I don't really be driving this car for real as much as I could be. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. See, like cars like this who just did some dumb ass shit, like what are you doing? And it's so responsive too. Like I can downshift and just take off immediately. That shit's so nice, man. Yeah, we in that shit. Y'all to hear. I don't know what this Honda doing behind me, but I want y'all to hear how that shit sound up against the wall. Alright, this shit sounds good against the wall. I don't know what this Honda trying to do. I don't know what this Honda trying to do, y'all. Follow me. I don't know what he doing. He better chill out. Oh shit. I don't know why he trying to follow me, y'all. What he doing? Bro, shit, I'm getting off and shit like that too. Yeah, he said thumbs up, y'all know. Thank you, baby. Thumbs up. I know, baby. Thank you. This shit's slow. He gotta chill out over there. That V-Tech is not enough. Some shit like this. Oh my gosh. Bitch, just snap me back in your seat, man. Bitch got too much power, man. Way too much power.
Thank you. Come again.